joining. You are welcome. Mute your video. When you join, please, everyone, as you come in, mute your microphone and your video. Thank you so much. And I'm going to take you through I'm just going to do a market update. I'm going to do a market update, just a market update, just to let you know what is happening in the market, what has happened today in the market, and what should we expect next. First and foremost, I just want to encourage you that don't panic in case of anything that is happening. Whatever is happening in the market, it doesn't mean that the market has crashed and everything now is ruined. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. The business we are in, we are always expecting those ups and downs, though sometimes we can have unexpected drop or a tremendous unexpected rise or tremendous unexpected drop. Okay, like for the whole of today, we experienced an unexpected tremendous drop, especially with the Bitcoin. Someone was asking me, Madam Harriet, why is it that it is the Bitcoin? Why is it that when the Bitcoin drops, all coins drop? And when it rises, all coins rise. Why is it like that? Now, I want to let you know that the mother of all cryptocurrencies is the Bitcoin. It is the Bitcoin. And very many people, very many traders, very many financial institutions, very many big companies, as they are coming into the crypto world, the first thing they are focusing on the Bitcoin. Yes, we have other coins. Like last week, I was talking about common terms which are used in crypto. And one of them was altcoins. Altcoins, you can name it, you can pronounce it the way you feel like. It can be altcoin or altcoin, but meaning alternative coins. All coins which are not Bitcoin, those are called the alternative coins. Now, very many companies, very many institutions, very many individuals, people who are so rich when they are coming into the crypto world, for them mostly their focus is on the Bitcoin, which was the first cryptocurrency. So the fact that their biggest focus is on that coin, so when they are investing, they mostly invest in the Bitcoin. And again, as time comes, and then they feel like, okay, from where I entered into the market, from when I bought, now I think it is time to take profit. For them, when they take profit, because they put a lot in the trade, or they put in a lot, or when they make a transaction, it is a huge transaction. That's what causes the huge movement, either upwards or downwards. Now today we saw the Bitcoin moving, and allow me share my screen, and then I show you what the Bitcoin did today. And at some point someone was like, what is happening? Very many people at some point, they came to the group, and then they started screaming, what is happening, and then I was like, oh, everything is very okay. But before the end of this, I will have shared what are some of the other causes of today's down movement of the Bitcoin. Hello, I've heard someone saying something. Mugamba Moses, please mute your microphone. Thank you. Please mute your microphone, Mugamba Moses. Good. Thank you. And who else is here? Apart from Mugamba, let me see the people who are here. Ali is here. Donald, Sophie, Nasali, Kaziwe, Lubega. I see Leader Ogwal, Moses. I see Jordan. Who else is here? And everyone who is here, I welcome you. Thank you for coming, and allow me go to the next step. I wanted to show you what happened to the Bitcoin today. For the last 2-3 weeks, the Bitcoin, the Gately predictor at some point, the Gately predictor pointed I think we're around here. We're around here. And then this Gately predictor put this long arm pointing down here. And it was pointing at 440, 49. Is it 49? Yes. And I was like, since we are here, it might not go there. It might not go there. But today, again, I came to realize that for as long as you are seeing the Gately predictor is not moving, no matter how long it stays, for as long as it is not moving away, it is not disappearing, and you are still seeing it, lazima, that trade will get there. And today, in the morning, we're around here, and the Bitcoin moved up today, where the Gately predictor was saying. It got there. It got there. It got there. The first candle, and then it moved up. The fact that this Gately was not removed, it did not move away. It predicted this here, it did not move away. We saw this. We saw another retest. We saw a retest, and then the retest. After the retest, we made some movement upwards, but again there is this resistance at 55,490. It is now resisting it. That's why we are there. So if we don't break it, we might come back down here where the Gately predictor is. Okay. At some point there, people were saying that if we might go to 47, we might go to 40 what. But and me, I was looking at if we break where the predictor said. If we break and we still go down, my next level would be at 42,100. Okay, the next level would be at 42,100. I'm glad I would not go there. So we are looking at us. If we break this 55,490, if we break it, it means we shall be going up. Okay, we shall be going up now. When a market does such a movement, what comes into people's minds? Okay, when the market goes down, there are things that happen. One, there is FUD. When a market makes a movement, either upwards or down, there is that FUD that happens. FUD is the fear of uncertainty and doubt. FOMO comes in. That is fear of missing out. And then there is also JOMO, joy of missing out. All these ones happen. When the market goes down, this happens, this one rules. People get into fear. People start saying they are not certain of what is going to happen. Today I saw people on the group putting this and that, and then saying this and that, saying this and that. And then there is also someone who came into my inbox. Let me see if I can as well see someone who's commenting in my inbox today. And then someone was asking me, where are we heading? Let me see if I can still see. Let me see if I can still see someone who's very many people talk to me. I can't recall who sent me a message, but someone was asking me, Madam Harriet, are we safe? Someone was asking, Madam Harriet, are we safe? Please give me a minute. I do something here. I said something here urgent. Okay, I'm back. There is an evangelist passing around. I don't know whether that noise is not disturbing my Zoom. Someone unmute your microphone and let me know if that noise is not too much in the background. Someone is passing around with the big megaphone. Is the pastor, I think. Is it not disturbing? Someone unmute and let me know.
Yes, Leader Harriet, you can proceed. Yeah,
I can
it
proceed.
is there, but not that much. Yeah.
Okay. If it is not as much as, okay, let me just go here. I can't still remember who sent me a message today, and someone was asking, "Are we safe?" And I want to take you back to what happened in the morning when we saw the Bitcoin going, and then all its children and grandchildren, and then great grandchildren thing. You see? When it started moving down, I told you people, when it started moving down, FUD, fear of uncertainty and doubt started into people, and everyone started panicking. When people start panicking, the next thing they start doing what we call panic sells. I tell you people, I tell this one every time I come and talk. It's not that we don't have what to say, but people are doing panic sells. When they do panic sells, today panic sells made me see this. At some point I went to Binance and then I see Tron. It was very congested. That network was very congested. You couldn't make a transfer to it. Even when you wanted to make a deposit, you couldn't because the network was congested. So when something happens, when the market dips or when the market gets a down movement, always people get into fear. And it is that fear that the big institutions are using in order to manipulate the market. The moment they do something small and then people start doing panic sells, that one makes the market drop so much. And when the market drops so much, and then when the market drops so much, it means people are selling. Some of them are selling even at losses. As they are selling at losses, the prices are going to drop. Now, when the prices dip here, get here, then the financial institutions, they come in and they start buying. They start buying. The moment they start buying, within no minutes or within a few hours, you are going to start seeing the market going up. And that's what has happened. You are going to start seeing the market going up, and that is what is happening. Today around 3 p.m., 1,000 sats was at negative 30%. It was at negative 30%. And today, let me show you what is the 1,000 sats doing. 1,000 sats. What is 1,000 sats doing right now? At 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. Okay, 1,000 sats. At 3 p.m. It was at negative 30%. Look at this, friends. Look at this. Right now it is at positive 12. It has moved from negative 30 to now positive 12. Now just imagine if you are among those people, so the 1,000 starts dropping, and then on dropping you went down here and then you bought, okay, and you went down here and you made some buys, okay. Let us measure when it started dropping. When it started dropping today, let us say it started dropping from here. Okay, it moved from here. Let us say the drop it made. It made a 45% drop. Now, the 45% drop, it has done it in around 3 days. Though today it made it so huge from here to here. Okay, in just one day, just one afternoon, or one afternoon. It is not yet even 12 hours. Let me show you what they what it has done. Mm. In 3 days, it has gone a negative 45%, and in less than 12 hours, less than 6 hours, it has done a 43% upward movement. Now, when this one happens, what happens? When this one is happening, when the market is going, people are in fear. And when it gets down here, they don't do anything because they are in panic, they sold and everything, they are in loss. And now when it starts moving up, they are there. The moment it reaches here, they come, they engage in a new thing, and that is what we call the FOMO, fear of missing out. The moment they feel like I am missing, it is still going. When it is here, they put in a trade. Before you know it, the trade starts going down. And when the trade starts going down, then they are those ones who are going to enjoy the joy of missing out. And then someone saying, okay, you see, I was wise. I did not enter into that trade, because if I had entered into it, now see what it is doing. It has gone down. But remember, as it was dropping for you, instead of waiting and then the market keeps on buying, the robot keeps on buying more and more and more using the capital that you are having or the capital you had left, for you just got scared and you started selling your things at a loss. And now it is moving up, you are saying, oh, I am missing out. Okay, so those are the things that happen in the market. The institutions or the market makers or the market manipulators, their work is just to create fear. The moment they create fear, you are all going to fear and sell, and then the market drops here. Then they buy here at cheap prices. And then when they start putting here huge buys, the demand becomes so high, and then the prices start going up. As soon as the prices go up, what happens next? For them, they reach their take profit, the 45%. They have made the 43%. Okay, the market makers this evening alone, they have made 43%. Now just imagine if they had put 1 million, 100 million. Okay, for them they put 100 million, and then it makes the 45%. Let us see what will have happened. 45% of 100 million. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. They have already made 45 million. The market maker. Okay, the market maker has made already 45 million while using 100 million in just one afternoon, in just less than 6 hours. So, ladies and gentlemen who are on this Zoom call this evening, I want to let you know that whatever the market does, don't panic, don't fear. Just know that that is how the market is. The other time I told you, in our business, we are looking at two things. There are two things that make the market. It is the rumors and then the news. Now this one takes me to the next thing that made the market drop today. It was the rumors. And in any business, the moment there is a news, there is a certain rumor, before it even becomes news, it creates fear. Rumors make the market drop the fast. And let me show you the rumor that people had, and then the market started dropping. I posted it somewhere here today. In case you are wondering what's happening to the market and the rumors of a recession, it is the US recession. There is a rumor that happened that the US is going into a recession. What is a recession? You know, I always want to make things simple for you. What is a recession? So that for you, someone can as well ask you now, Madam Harriet, what is a recession? What is a recess? Let us see it. A recession, what does it mean? so that we get to know that rumor when there is that rumor, when there was that rumor. What is the meaning of recession in the financial market? Financial markets. You know, you people, even if you, and every time you have something and then something is new, you don't understand, don't even worry. Just go and ask Meta AI. It will give you all the answers that you want. And then a recession in the financial market refers to a period of economic decline, typically defined as a decline in gross domestic product for 2 or more consecutive quarters. During a recession, economic activity slows down, leading to 1. Reduced consumer spending, decreased business investment, lower corporate profits, higher unemployment, reduced economic output. In the financial markets, a recession can lead to 1. Stock market volatility and declines, bond market fluctuations, reduced lending and credit availability, increased risk aversion among investors, potential for bankruptcies and defaults. That is a recession. Recessions are often caused by factors such as 1. Monetary policy changes, e.g. interest rates hikes. The moment the interest rates are hiked up, that one can as well cause a recession. That one can cause the economy to decline. Then we have fiscal policy changes, e.g. reduced government spending. Another one, supply chain disruption. Another one, global economic downturns. Another one, asset bubble busting. And then this one sums it up. Central banks and governments may respond to recessions with expansionary monetary and fiscal policies to stimulate economic growth. Now, among the countries that have had challenges with their economies, it is America. Yes, it is number 1, it is top 1. It is top 1, but it has had challenges with its economy. It has had challenges to its economy. Now, in the last 2 quarters, we have been seeing its gross domestic product going down. Yes, it has been going down, which means the consumers are spending less. Okay, people are no longer having money to spend all the time. There is decreased business investment. People are running out of the business, and it is also happening in my Uganda. And lower corporate profits now, because people are not spending too much. It means people are no longer taking too much. They are not taking loans so much. So if people are not taking loans, then which means even the banks are not working. Okay. Then there is reduced economic output. The moment there is a scarcity of money in the circulation, then it means the economic output is also going to be so low, which means the production has also reduced. All those factors can as well lead to a recession. Now, because there was a rumor that America might be going to a recession, that one made the market drop down today. Okay. And it is not only America, you people, I'm telling you, it is not only in America, even other countries. When you look at our Uganda, it is the same thing. It is the same thing. You can see. You mean to be able to say, before you know it, they say if easy. Now, before you know it, there are a lot of things, you people, I'm telling you, there are a lot of things which are happening. People are getting out of businesses on a daily basis, okay? People are getting out of the business on a daily basis because of the production has reduced, because the output has reduced. Then the consumers are no longer spending too much, which means the rate at which they are buying things at, it is reducing. It has reduced and it has reduced. For the last 5 years, I'm telling you, in Uganda it is too bad. If you want to know, go and check. ShopRite closed. Nakmat closed. I think Tuskys also Tuskys did what? Tuskys reduced on its branches, but is it still there? Tuskys. Then which one? Pep. Pep. There is that shop that had come and it is selling children's clothes. They closed. What else? Name it. Game. Is it game? Oh no, it was ShopRite. ShopRite. Is game still there? What else? What was at Garden City? At Garden City there was Uchumi closed. You see, there are things that are closing and closing and closing. The banks are closing. The banks are closing. Let me tell you, people, why? The economies are going down now. That one alone made the market decline today. Are you following me? Friends, are you following? Please put for me a thumbs up if what I'm speaking is making some sense to you. If what I'm saying is making some sense to you, it has made sense to only two people, to V2 to V3 or Ogwal Moses, and then okay, Simbul Vega Maka. I've seen also Sophie. Okay, I've seen also Chizito Bakari. It has made sense for him. Then Linda Kainda Osama is also, it has made sense for him. Then okay, if it has made sense for you, this, let me continue here. Let me continue. There is another thing that I posted that I wanted to read for you, and then you get to understand what I meant. You know, always when I post, some people come to my inbox saying, well, what did you mean with this? What did you mean with this? And then what happened after the market had dropped? Then the Bitcoin started moving upwards. When it started moving upwards, we have seen today, this evening, people have made money. In the morning, everyone was crying. They started, now you see Nupu, now Nupu is here, what. And now in the evening, I've seen people smiling with sell orders everywhere. I want to read for you this one. Someone might ask, why do market makers or whales or financial institutions or governments interested in liquidating some big positions trades? Why manipulate BTC always? The answer is simple. The market is driven by forces of demand and supply, as well as fundamentals. When whales, who is a whale? You people, the other day I explained the whales. Those are big companies that are having money and they are investing into the crypto world. When whales enter buy positions with huge amounts, it tends to raise the price of BTC due to buying pressure or the volume. The volume goes high. So, in order for market makers to get BTC at affordable prices, they need to take out these buy positions. When they want to buy more at low prices, what they do, the buy positions they put in, they get out. Never fuluma mukatale. Remember, they have put in huge amounts of money. That hits their stop losses. The moment they get out their money, it is going to hit the stop losses of the small money makers, above cent of, especially those ones who are trading values of currencies. In forex trading, those ones are trading fiat, and also in crypto, those ones are trading futures. It means they are trading values of currencies. Okay. And then small positions abalinamu obusente obutono ng'obwawe babukuba nga bugetinga 100%, negative 100%, and then nga bavaamu mu katale when they have lost. That is what we call to liquidate. They could retrace and become cheap for them to buy. That's what they are doing. Just to manipulate the market in order for the prices to go down, and then at the end of the day for them, they buy at low prices. As simple as that. So when you see the market has done anything, don't panic. Don't panic. Just don't panic. Just don't panic. If you have more money, buy more margin calls. If you don't have more money, just watch the market. Okay? Just watch Just watch the market. Let us see. In the afternoon, it was very hard to see something red, something green. Now see. Now see. GFT has moved 31%. Back 15 tier 1000 sats 4%. You see? You see? You see? But in the morning, the whole afternoon, everything was a mess. Everything was red. I saw with my eyes. I saw 1,000 sats at negative 30, and now it is at positive 4. Okay, you see, you see. Now, if you had panicked and then sold your things, you would be at a loss. Have we made some money today? Let me see. The money I've made today, it has come from 1,000 sats. Yes. Fifth. Yes. 1,000 sats, 1,000 sats, 1,000 sats. Only. Today only. But eyalabye olunaku nga lutandika, when things were all red, it was very difficult to feel that maybe I'll make the $18. But I've made it. And I've been using, that trade has been using around $500. It has been using around $500. Let me check. Oh, now it is having around 600. It is having around $675. It's what it is using, and already we are in a new day. It has already made for me $5. It has already made for me $5. It has already made for me $5. Okay, it has already made for me $5. 1,000 sats. But today in the afternoon, it was at negative. It was at negative 30. Okay, so never and never panic. Never and never panic. Never allow FAD to take you, and never allow if FAD doesn't take you, never and never allow FOMO to take you, fear of missing out. If you have missed something, you have missed an entry point, don't panic to enter a trade when it has gone to 20%. Leave it. Wait for another one. You know, sometimes even not trading is trading. There are people who feel that I have to be in market all the day, all the time. No, that is not the way. You might be being without a trade is also trading. So don't be offended, or don't put yourself on pressure to be in the market all the time to have something to trade. Nedda, fake area. Okay, have peace. Many times, if you feel like say, leave it. Leave it, wait for the next day. After all, the market is not going to go anywhere in the shortest time possible. No, it is still there. We are still going. We are still going and going and going and going and going. Ladies and gentlemen, unless if someone has a question about what I have said. If you don't have a question, my market update this evening is that one. When we are looking at the market, we are looking at both fundamental analysis and technical analysis. With the technical analysis, the Gartley predictor predicted to us where the Bitcoin was going 2 weeks ago. And now the fundamentals also added the added salt to the injury. And at the end of the day, we ended up seeing the Bitcoin at 48,000. Now, for the people who missed buying the Bitcoin when it was at 40, today you got a chance to buy it when it is at 40. If you have missed that chance, it might not come back again, given that it has done a retest. Okay. If you don't have a question, I want to say thank you so much for listening to me. My name is Harriet. I am very, very excited about this business. And those ones who have B2s, and above, I have good news for you. And those ones who have not yet become V2s, we have good news for you for this month. We are going to have a boot camp. The boot camp is going to be a leaders retreat. It is going to be 2 days and 1 night. 2 days and 1 night. And the first qualification, you must be a V2. You must be a V2, a V3, a V4, a V5. We don't want each and every one. We want only team builders. We want only team builders, only team builders. Wabakanafuka V2, please make sure that you become a V2 within this month, and then we go for that boot camp. We go for that boot camp. The details of where we are going and how much each and everyone is going to pay, it is going to get out soon, and then we shall circulate it on all our groups. But for as long as you are a V2, you are almost becoming a V2. You have 10 people already. You are remaining with only 10 sign-ups. You can do it in the next 3 weeks, and then you become a V2 in order to come and they have and share with the leaders at the boot camp. A lot of knowledge is going to be, shared. A lot of inside information about this coming, about how we are going to win in the boot run is going to happen. Is going to happen in that boot camp. In that boot camp, a lot is going to happen. There is a lot of eating, a lot of drinks, a lot of excitement, a lot of activities, but most of all, there shall be a lot of learning from the creme de la creme of the royal queue, both from Uganda and outside Uganda. We shall have them. Don't miss out if you are a V2 and above. If you have not yet become a V2, you can do it. You can do it in these remaining weeks. You can do it. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me say thank you so much for listening to me and attending this Zoom. Let's meet again tomorrow. And don't miss at 10 p.m. we are going to have another training, another powerful training with the leader Usama. Thank you so much. Let's meet at the top, because at the floor down here, hey, no one see there is a lot of congestion. Let's meet at the top. Good night.